Back to another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about Subaru STI, just for taking out the rear seat. I've seen some other videos down here. Seen some other videos where a guy pull up on this. Where a guy says, see that clip in there? Just pull straight back. Well, I'll just try and pull it straight back, and it's not very easy. So yeah, I got it off. You gotta pull straight back and push down on the seat a little bit. I know it might hurt your fingers a bit, but pull back, push down on the seat. When I say pull back, pull towards the front of the car. Push down on the seat a bit and it pops right out. It does work, but if you're having troubles that way, there's another way you can do it. So it's all in. Now the other way you can do it is just pull up on some of this, kind of get it up out of the way, this trim. Once you got that trim up out of the way, I found it pretty easy to pull straight back as well and then get it free. So there's two different ways to do it. The choice is yours, whatever is easier at the time. We found pulling that trim back and just getting in there and pulling it straight back was a lot easier than the other way. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and please share the video. Don't forget, you can leave a comment down below to let me know how you like the video and maybe some other videos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching.